Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on quiet mode. First of all, you need to make sure that you are connected with Wi-Fi or mobile data. After that, you need to open your Instagram. After opening Instagram, you need to open your profile. In bottom right corner, you will see profile. Click on that. After that, click on three line in right top corner. Here in setting and activity, scroll down and find notification and you will see sleep mode. Click on that. When quiet mode is on, Instagram pause notification add. Here you can schedule your sleep mode, which is also called as a quiet mode. You can schedule your from when to when you want your application to be in sleep mode. To turn it off, just come back to the same menu and switch it off or wait for the scheduled time to end. That's all for today's video. Hope you will like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for daily updates. Thank you.